good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. Could be altcoins, meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. We are back with another RFD video. A lot of people, man, a lot of people are like, whoa, RFD's crashing. What's gonna happen? Is it gonna crash? And honestly, I'm not sure myself. I'll tell you guys the honest truth. I'm not sure myself, but this is why you never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. If you are looking for a time to get an entry though, this is the time you buy the fear. You start DCAing into it, because if something happens, some type of catalyst happens where it bounces from here, people are gonna be in disbelief. And that's what happens in crypto all the time. If some type of catalyst happens where it bounces from here, people will be in disbelief. It is I would think it has to hold the support around this range right here, and you know, potentially, like I said, if the influencers in the space, people in the space are still bullish on it, community is still bullish, you know, after the huge swings to the downside. Remember, with meme coins you could always get huge swings to the upside as well. But again, nothing is guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in the crypto space, guys, and always manage your risk. $33.86 million in market cap for RFD, $15.5 million in 24-hour trade volume. Insane trade volume. Absolutely insane. And that's just Uniswap trade volume. My gosh. The trade volume for the trade volume for RFD and the market cap is literally the same thing. That is bonkers, okay? That is crazy. That's absolutely crazy. And it is listed on a tier 1 exchange. A lot of people can't complain about that. It's listed on KuCoin and a bunch of different other exchanges as well. Like I said, this project doesn't have the controversy like Pepe does, which is why Pepe didn't get listed by Coinbase. So Coinbase listing potentially could happen for the project. You just never know. This volume, you can't fade this trade volume. That is insane. The trade volume is more than the market cap, guys. That's bullish. I don't know. But it's the thing, right? Most of the times people get into a project, they take their profits, you know, and then people start to leave the project after they got their profits, and you know, something has to take place. A switch has to flip for the project to get out of you know, the bearish pattern and back into a bullish pattern. And you know, I wouldn't rule it out for RFD, guys. I wouldn't rule it out at all. 37.2k followers on Twitter. Huge buy recently came in. 152 ETH buy. That's crazy. New message by Blur through RFD. Send the messenger to the ruler of all from there across the land along the sea paths to request the generous offering of Ognar, shining armor, and their sons. Interesting stuff, man. I love the speculation behind it. RFD Refund just went up on Blockbeat's #1 rated crypto news site in Asia and China, doing its best to appeal to the Asian audience. Have your pop right here 9 hours ago. I bought the dip using our joint bank account funds. Talking to wifey. Oh my gosh, man, that's funny. Alright, so we got Korean crypto KR, 57k followers, talking about RFD. Crazy stuff. Released on blur.eth. Nice thread on RFD. And like I said, man, the community is still very active. Just did a spaces, 2.8k people tuned in. Guys, if you were looking for a chance to enter, this is the thing, right? But a lot of people, when they see this chart, they're like, I'm not gonna buy this dip. It's a meme coin, it's too risky. And you would be wrong to do it. But guess what? There are people that buy. Man, let me erase this. Let me get a proper arrow. Let me get a proper arrow real quick, man. Give me some girth on that arrow. Pause. there are people that bought up here. They got people that bought up here. Okay, that's not when you buy. You buy, we move this arrow down here if you're going to enter. Now always invest what you're willing to lose. Don't put in too much. Don't break the bank. You could always buy on the exchanges as well, so you don't have to deal with ETH gas fees, the gas fee money, right? Because it's on KuCoin, you know. It's on KuCoin. You ain't got to deal with no gas fees, right, guys? Just manage your risk, because if the support gets broken here, it could just come down and, you know, then go into a consolidation phase where it finds the floor. So it could come down from here if the support here gets broken. So, you know, just keep an eye out for that. Keep an eye out, man. But yeah, if you're looking to enter the project, that would be a great time. Buy the fear, don't buy the greed. Don't buy the greed, buy the fear. And if you hold the project, let me get your thoughts. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I know a lot of people are you know, I know some people, let me not say a lot, some people are kind of like worried that it, you know, this might be the end, but you just never know. You just never know. This is why you manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose when you're getting into crypto, and you DCA, and you don't invest everything right away. You DCA in, see how it plays out, and then, you know, if you have conviction, you hold. And if something does happen, like I said, some type of catalyst takes place, it's out of here. It's gone once it starts running like it did back here. That's how it is, guys. Become a patron. Link to that is in the description, the first link. I'll have a private Discord for you guys, all the patrons. Let's talk about projects that are launching and stuff like that. Let's communicate. I post all my content early to Patreon first before anything else, so you get all the exclusive content there. I'll do giveaways and eventually patron only live streams as well, so you could mention projects to me. Let's converse. Can't speak. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.